Guitarzoom here, and today what I'd like to do is show you a pedal made by Donner. It's called the Alpha Force pedal, and it really is quite a heavy distortion pedal, but it's really a 3-in-1 pedal. It has delay, it has chorus, and it has a distortion. I want to show you all three of those elements today. I'm just running directly into a Fender Twin Reverb, so I'll show you my sound here. So no distortion, no reverb, nothing like that. Just clean. And what I want to do is break down these three parts. Now, this pedal I have found works wonderful in front of an amp. It looks very similar to a fly rig made by Tech 21 in terms of the look and the knobs and everything like that, but it functions a little bit differently than that. It reminds me more of a pedal that should go out front and not something, again, the Tech 21 certainly does too, but this pedal does a really wonderful job of being in front of the amp. So I haven't really messed around with it in like running it directly into a PA or anything like that, but running it into an amp, it sounds awesome. So that's what I've got right now. So I've got this running into my Twin Reverb, and what I'm going to do is show you the first effect here, which is the delay. And you'll see there's a level, a feedback, and then the delay amount. So let me show you this here. Now that's a very common sort of delay that I would use. Just something a little bit in the background. Okay, but you can certainly turn it up. So the feedback is how much you're going to get. The delay is how slow or fast the delay is. So just like a little bit in the background like that. Okay, so that's our delay. Let's look at our chorus next. The chorus has the level, the rate, and the depth, as many chorus pedals do. So it sounds really nice. Now if I turn them both on, again, it makes for a really nice clean sound. Now, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this, which is the distortion channel. So here we are. So very meaty. Now, the distortion panel has got, the distortion channel, excuse me, has got your level, your tone, and your gain. And of course the level is how loud the channel is, and of course I'm always trying to set it so it's kind of unity gain with the normal volume of my amp. And then the tone control, again, just treble and bass, taking the treble out of there. I'm not sure if there's a little bit of a mid scoop in there as well. I'm not exactly sure. But the gain certainly has enough. If you're into heavier stuff, there's a lot of gain in this pedal. Okay. So I'm running it about 50% there. That seems to be enough for what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn a little delay on here. works out just great. It sounds awesome. So again, another pedal from Donner that is wonderfully inexpensive if you're looking for something that you can put in front of an amp and you're in the need for a few of the essential things like distortion, delay, and chorus. This is a great pedal to have. So check it out, Donner's Alpha Force pedal. So pretty cool.